Good job, sweetie. You wrapping up your baby doll? Good job,
The baby
Maria.
cannot breathe. Di ba kayo na yung bata?
Fatima, looking beautiful with that hairdo today. Good job, Maria, taking care of the baby. So, Ate Mercy and Kuya Eric gave that to you, huh? Good job, sweetie. There you go. Now the baby can see.
Kumain yung baby. Dami pupong baby eh. Hugasan mo yung baby ko.
What's the translation? Whoa! Easy on the baby. I said, love the baby.
Ano nangyari sa buhok ko kay Maria? Suklayan mo nga. Kunin mo yung suklay. Nandun yung suklay oh. Oh, ang pangit ng buhok eh. Kunin mo yung suklay nandun. Lotionan mo yung baby. Maria, your baby's haggard na. What do you want to do, Mama? Huh?
Where you going, son? You hungry?
Mama, give me a snack. Maria. Oh.
Whoa, buddy.
Strong yan eh.
Does the baby want to eat the chip? So sweet, Maria. Oh, now you decided to get beautiful for the camera, baby. Work it, work it, work it. Those beautiful dance skills you got going on, Fatima. Hey, turn the light on so we can see the merchandise. Just turn the light on. Oh, allow. Turn it on now. Let's see what you got. Let there be light. I tell you, I'm not Steven Spielberg. I forgot to turn the light on when I start a video. Yes, sweetie. Ah, Dolly want to eat the chips. Oh, so sweet to the baby, Maria. You know how to skip the ad? Get the remote over there and skip the ad. You gotta do skip. Good job, sweetie. Good job. Baby, why are you looking so beautiful all of a sudden? What happened? Something happened. She went with Auntie Mercy. Who else did you go with? Well, Mercy and Ann, right? And you went to a salon and you got your eyebrows done. No eyelashes. But what else did you get done? I think you got a facial, maybe your hair.
No. My hair is not.
You're beautiful, baby, especially when you wash dishes.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
The first will Honey. Ay, mamaya ako na. Malaki dyan.
Go ahead, baby, do your narration. You're doing a great job. Come on.
Malaki. I'm shy to talk on it.
Just look right here and talk. Where? Go ahead.
I'm shy to talk. I don't know what I...
Just say, hello, folks. Welcome, everyone, to watch me wash the dishes.
Oh, you already said that.
Come on, you're beautiful. Here, I'll turn the screen around. Now you can see yourself.
I'm haggard.
Okay, I'll turn it back around so you can't see yourself. Now carry on.
Hello, folks. Welcome to... Honey. Ayoko na makikita si...
Baby, I'm making an award-winning YouTube video here while you're washing dishes because you're beautiful.
I don't know what I... Nood na lang kayo. Bahala kayo dyan.
Okay, go ahead, baby.
Welcome to my channel. Now we're going to watch the life of Marcos.
Baby, say it's a 3.2 quart cast iron combo cooker.
Basta lunch na yun. That's lunch yun. Hindi so complicated.
Baby, give us a narration here. People they love watching you. You're beautiful.
I'm not attractive.
You're very attractive.
I'm not.
Now give us a narration. Tell us exactly what you're doing.
What? And what? No, I'm finished.
That wasn't very informative. All you said was I washed and now I finished.
Yeah, I'm finished.
Okay, well, just
They know how to wash.
tell them how you're feeling while you're washing. How are you feeling?
What? I'm happy. I'm happy slash sad.
Anything else?
No. Tama mo agad.
You know you're so beautiful when you wash my large 3.2 quart
Yeah,
cast
tama
iron
ko na. I will
combo
throw that.
cooker.
I'll throw that lagi. Ikapoy na ko na.
Good job, baby. Any more narration, baby?
No. Just watch me. If you want to watch me, watch me. If you don't want, skip. Skip.
Okay, let's
Skip haters.
talk about something other than the dishes, okay? How's your family doing, baby?
Very good.
Everybody's still alive? That's good. What about my goats?
Hey, you don't have goat anymore. I said already.
You sold my goats?
Yeah. Bahala ka, you keep saying that, so I told you, if you keep saying that, I already said. Yeah. Yeah. I already said that's true.
Beautiful, baby.
Ikaw na nga. Hindi ka patapos dyan. Hindi ka patapos dyan. Hala! Too much water in here.
How does it feel to be an international sex symbol, baby? Alright, folks, now she's gonna clean the large griddle. Good job, baby. Can Papa have that remote? Let me put that back on some cartoons. Okay, good job, sweetie.
Tapon mo yan. Tapon mo.
Folks, another rainy day. Another rainy day here in the Philippines. Just the remnants of a typhoon that ran through north of here. Come a pretty good gully washer last night. Today it's just like light rain. But last night, oh my gosh, trying to watch TV. Sounded like a freight train coming through with the rain hitting on the tin roof. So I just decided, you know, beautiful Filipino wife number one. Looking so beautiful.
Yeah, I am.
Baby, you are. You're looking so beautiful. And I got to give thanks to Mercy and Ann for taking her over to that appointment. I don't know what all she had done, but like, I was pissed off at the time because I was led to believe she'd be back in an hour. So I'm planning what I got to do and things I got to do. And
I follow you.
like 6 hours later, she finally rolls back in, but she was looking beautiful with these eyelashes.
Just only one time go out then.
Whatever. But I was wondering, I said, you know, she looks so beautiful. Would people be interested watching my beautiful Filipina wife #1 while she does the dishes. So this is just an experiment to see if people enjoy watching this beautiful girl wash dishes and clean up the kitchen as much as I do. You know, I'll have to check the analytics and check the metrics to see what the subscribers say. This video is about you cleaning and organizing. As a matter of fact, get your Skinners on one of them beers and bust that out for Big Daddy. Make sure you get the coldest one. Hey, of course, G. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Tell everybody what you're doing.
Obviously.
What are you doing, baby?
I'm cleaning the room, organizing. Anyway, we don't have food tonight.
What?
We don't have food tonight.
Honey.
Yeah! I'm serious.
No food?
Yeah, but you have drinks. Oh, look. Oh, maybe so. Nothing. Oh, sige. Hoy, Boris, bakit nandiyan ka na naman sa ano ha? Office nada ha? Bibi! Bibi! Look, oh. Look, there's your... Bibi! Where's the broom? Oh.
What's wrong, baby? Folks, just got a big order in from Sitting Bull. Forrest G ain't waiting for nobody. Go to town, son. What's wrong, baby? What's wrong? And folks, I just ordered up some specials right there. So the baby's got a big selection of food here. Oh my goodness, look at these little hamburgers. Oh Lord, Fatima, I'm gonna be eating good tonight, baby.